Surok kebadan san pupra poin kan riu kilometer kebadan Nongpoh-Umden-Sonapur kadika projek na Surok kebadang syidap banterwa na ketenat Public Works Department Roads kumbala paw kilat patai kubor makadika projek na Surok kebaap menta tang mencukot tendar ka jingtep kebabnya ahlor kani ke Surok kadika Katkum ke jingtep balayo na ke Shithi jong Chief Engineer kebadang syidap banto dangshen marakani ke Shithi la pentep Paka Office to Executive Engineer PWD Roads Nongpoh Division kala Shimkhia hakabai de bakatega Surok Nongpoh-Umden-Sonapur kabaha popo ka Major District Road Katkum ka Shithi now Chief Engineer ka PWD Roads uba di Langstang kabala pha shu Deputy Commissioner ka East Kasil saka arpwa tarik ujumang arajar rupsaw la itu baka Surok Nongpoh-Umden-Sonapur Road kadai kabaha popo ka Major District Road MDR kabadan ye ka jingjalan sanpu pra point country kilometer barka Surok kadai kabala jar thai bha nakadaw ka jingbom dan ye ka Pisa la ni fund na ka Sorkar la shumaramat malumala na ka por chakapor kumta na ka liang ka Sorkar ling bakatnat PWD Roads Nongpoh Division kala Shimkhia hakaba kumba khandai point saupulai kilometer ka pasdang na do ka Surok ba Nongpoh NH6 ka bakut hado ka Shillong Pordwa la pendrung hapo ka scheme Northeast Infrastructure Development Scheme NESIDS bat kumba sau point north kilometer par la pendrung hapo ka scheme PMGSY kabla deb panparu i ka proposal ka bahadu menta kadang ab banyo e ka sanction ka jingpelong yu CE ka PWD Roads bantho show DC ka East Castles ka de dien bo DC la pentep shaka office jong Chief Engineer jong atnat PWD Roads Meghalaya lingba da ka jingtho ba ka don ka Shithi pan jingbet jong ka wi ka long kami ka bana ka Shillong Mail Riboy District ka kong bindas em kabla rai ban shong sha than khmat ka secretariat halor ka jingdawa ban chna phan bhano e ka Surok Umden de halor ka te ka nong rembo Chief Engineer la jubab lingba daga jingtho halor ka jingya linti jong ka Surok Nongpoh-Umden-Sonapur ya ka bawla batai shai habaya dei bat ka jingpen krea jong ka tanat panchna pen bha ya ka Surok Umden ka bangin puli Katkum ka Shithi ka bala pha do CE shau UDC
to ha ka baya dei bat ka sanction ka ba ngila yo sngew na ka por sha ka por na ki MLA jong ngila ne na ka department rukum jo ha ka ba ki ong la ka no phausin la ka no hajar sen kala don ka Pisa na ka ta ka daw naga liang junga nga ong ba lada kala don kata ka sanction kala kila dep ban sanction la ne kala don kata ka Pisa balai kim pentre yaw te Surok balai kim penshina yaw te Surok te naga liang junga nganom la ban ngej ngam de ka khna ngam de ka khlung ka baki kila ban pengej yang akat sya bangamon namar ngala de ka long kemi ka bala rungba nganom ngej dalele ruem de na kata ka daw banganga kwa ban ya syakman
tarik arpa tarik jumang arjar psaw to the Deputy Commissioner East Kasil District, Shillong, application for hunger strike. Reference number CS4/PR/2013/PT.8/262 dated 20th May 2024. With reference to your letter above, I have the honor to furnish herewith the status report on Nongpoh-Umden-Sonapur Road, length 58.16 km. Nongpoh-Umden-Sonapur Road is an MDR road with a total length of 58.16 km. At present, the road is in a very bad condition due to high intensity of traffic. The pavement also has deteriorated. However, due to fund constraints, only minor repairs were carried out from time to time in order to make the road motorable. The government has taken an initiative to the Office of Executive Engineer PWD Roads, Nongpoh Division to submit a proposal for upgradation of the road on the Northeast Infrastructure Development Scheme NESIDS for a length of 9.42 kilometers, and the same has been submitted to the government. The proposed project will start from Nongpoh at CH.0.00 m of the NH6 GS Road till Podwa Village at CH9300.00 m, and for 44.00 kilometer it has been proposed to PMGSY scheme and sanction is awaited.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kishap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka batau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Kan nutrition bakam bhak, kajing im bakam bha, pendon kam daki mar ba medon ka sharp plus F mentah kesni.
Lawan Rak Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety, Meghalaya.